Hi, I'm Callum Ryan.
And I'm Elise Carrick.
Today we're here to show you 284 Rockonia Road here in Koongal.
Let's go and have a look.
As you enter this home, you are welcomed into a spacious living and dining arrangement which flows into this renovated kitchen.
At the other end of this beautifully renovated home, we have 3 spacious bedrooms, all fully air conditioned, and a brand new bathroom.
This home is situated on an 809 square metre block that's fully fenced with side access on either side of the home.
Great for families and investors alike, this home can be yours.
If our team can help you own this home, get in touch. We would love to help you out.
We look forward to meeting you.